saw the humiliation sa face ng bata. Gusto ko sabihin sa kanya, itong relo ko na lang, relo ito ng Vice President, ito relo ng Presidente, pero I hope this will do. Gusto ko sabihin sa kanya, yung batang yan yung magpapakamatay para sa bayan natin. Nag-aral yan ng 4 na taon, naghirap yan ng 4 na taon, walang tulog araw-araw para mag-training kasi mamamatay yan para sa bayan natin.
As your Commander-in-Chief, I lay down these vital points that may ask you to instill within you yourselves. Be humble. Nothing beats humility. Always remember that the rank, authority, and trust of your subordinates and the people that you serve are born out of respect for the office that you carry.